Hey there, fellow web visitors. Have you ever felt like your web pages are stuck in a boring, basic bulleted list loop? Well, today we are going beyond the of these as the secret menu items at your favorite cafe. Really? Used but absolutely amazing. Imagine impressing your friends by casually throwing around terms like description list instead of boring old bullet point. Trust me, they'll think you are coding genius or they are just stored at you like you are a nerd. Either way, it's a win or win. Now, computer, why not to use unordered lists? Me, because I like to live dangerously, so buckle up because this is going to be a list statistic ride. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding. Yeah, loving it. So guys, let's talk about index HTML. What is the audio? So let's talk about it. HTML audio. So like in the previous video, we talk about the HTML video element. So in today's video, we are talking about the HTML audio element. So let's start. The HTML audio element is used to play an audio file on a web page. Okay, on a web page, you are playing an audio file. It is the work of audio element. The HTML audio element. To play an audio file in HTML, use the audio element. In the audio element, you define a source element in which you write your audio, then your audio will be king. It is same like we insert a video in our previous video, these are same, okay. So let's open the Visual Studio Code in which we create one file by the name of index.html. So let me create one file by the name of index.html and I am making this file in my documents, okay, and create and yes. Now, first of all you write audio element, okay, audio element. When you write audio element, so add a controls, and you are thinking why we add a controls. We are adding a controls, then our play, mute, and playback speed, and all the thing will be came. Okay, that enter press in the audio element define a source in which you write your URL of your audio or your name of your audio file. Okay, and now let me pick up one audio from Unsplash. Okay, sorry, not Unsplash, from Pixels. Let me pick up one audio. Okay, to pick a audio, I'm clicking onto the, sorry, let me pick from Pixabay. So let's come on it here and let me click onto the sound effect, and then I'm clicking to the horse. Now horse, so the horse sound effect will become. So let me download it and then I am drag and drop it into my documents folder where we make our HTML file, and I am giving the name horse. So let's see the property of it. Its property is, let's see the property. Property is mp3, so means mpeg. So I am giving .mp3. So save it and then where, let me open my in my document. Let me open my index.html file, and now when you run it, here you can see it. Now it is coming like this. Here you can see it. And why there is a mute and this playback and this playback speed is coming, because we had a controls. If I remove the controls, so nothing will be come. Here you can see it. But when I add a control, so now it has become. Here you can see it. HTML audio, how it works. The controls attribute adds audio controls like play, pause, and volume. Like I have told you, the source element allows you to specify alternative audio files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. Okay, in source element you write the URL of your audio file or your name of your audio file. I write my name of my URL file and then I write .mp3. So that's why it is coming like this. The text between audio and audio text will only be displayed in the browser that do not support the audio element. HTML audio autoplay. So how to start an audio file automatically, use the autoplay attribute. Okay, use the autoplay attribute to start your file automatically. So when you save it and run it, so it will not run automatically. Here you can see it. When I click, so now it is running. But it is not running automatically. Why? Because Chromium browser do not allow autoplay in most cases, and I am also using the Chromium browser. However, muted autoplay is always be allowed. Muted autoplay will be also be allow. Add a muted after a autoplay to let your audio file start playing automatically but muted. Okay, but when you write muted, so your file will be automatically started, but it will be start muted. Here you can say it has been started, but it is starting in the muted. Okay, here you can see it. It is starting automatically, but it has been starting muted. Okay, here you can see it. Why? Because I write autoplay muted. Okay. Now, browser support. The numbers in the table specify the first browser version that fully supports the audio element. Audio element. 4.0 it has been first browser version that fully supports the audio element. Then 9.0, then 3.5, then 4.0, then 10.5. Okay, then let me tell you first of all. Okay, that's it. I am thinking that's it. No, here I'm okay. 10.5. Okay, 4.0, 9.0, 3.5, 4.0, and 10.5. HTML audio formats. There are three different there are three supported audio formats: MP3, WAV, and OGG. The browser support for the different format is like H. MP3 it support MP3 yes, WAV yes, and OGG yes. It support all the three formats, audio formats. Number two, Chrome. Chrome support MP3, WAV, and OGG. Chrome support all the three audio formats. Then Firefox. Firefox also be support all the three formats like MP3, WAV, and OGG. Then Safari. Safari only support MP3, WAV, and it do not support OGG. Okay. Opera support MP4, WAV, and OGG. Opera also support all. Okay. From 879. HTML audio media types. File format. MP3 media type is audio slash MPEG, and then the OGG has the OGG media type is audio slash OGG, and WAV media type is audio slash WAV. HTML audio methods, properties, and events. What is the methods, properties, and events? The HTML DOM defines some methods, properties, and events for that audio element. This allows you to upload, play, and pause audios as well as set duration and volume. There are also DOM events that can notify you when an audio begins to play, is paused, or etc. For a full DOM reference, go to our HTML audio slash video DOM reference. So you can see our video has been running automatically, but when I remove it muted and autoplay, so now it will be run like this. Let me show you. If I give the playback speed should be 2, so it will be run very fast. Here you can see it. If I give the playback speed 1.25, so it will be run like this. Here you can see it. If I give the playback speed should be let me give the 1.5. Here you can see it is running very slowly. Here you can see it. Or you can pick any sound effect and you will be put it here. Okay, like if you pick this sound effect, and then let me come on it here in my, and let me drag and drop it. First of all, I give the name should be horse23, horsa23, and I'm right here my horsa23. Now save it and then run it. Okay, here I am giving MPEG. Now save and then run. So let me remove this and let me save it and run it. So now it come like that. Here you can see it. If I give the playback speed 2, so it will be running very fastly, and you will be give the volume also like this. Okay, so like that, in today's video we talk about in the HTML what is the audio. So if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all notification bell also never miss our these type of videos on full stack development. So now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing like that type of videos on the full stack web development. So now come on to the Google and then search in my channel by the name of CodeWithPk, and when you search in my channel, open my channel, and then commodity videos, and we are very near to 9,100 subscribers, so please complete it. And we successfully completed 600 videos on this channel. Then commodity plays and commodity holistic web development playlist from scratch, and we are very near to 500 views on my playlist, so please complete it and bookmark my playlist and see my all the videos of it. Okay, so now let me meet you in the next class, and then next very amazing class like that type of videos. Okay, and see my all the videos which I am uploading on this channel. So but anyways, let me meet you in the next class, and then next very amazing class like that type of amazing type of videos. So now let me give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's move toward to on the big screen. Let's give the outro of this video. Alright folks, now you know there's more to list than just bullets and numbers. With definition list, description list, and all those fancy e-SAMC tags. Your websites are about to get a serious glow up. If you found this video helpful, or if I made you laugh even once, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite list worthy thing in life, my pizza toppings and videos, ideas from amazing viewers like you. So goodbye.